What's up, guys? Today's a working from home day, so just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's been happening in the past and give you an outline of what we're looking to do this week as the trading week begins. So the last few days have been pretty volatile. Start of the week last week was pretty encouraging, but we saw that rapid sell-off of tech continue throughout the week. In fact, Friday was a particularly brutal day, not only for my holdings, but also for the market in general, with companies like Tesla, NIO, Square, to name a few, which were down between 10 and 15% at one stage. It was a brutal day. I didn't look at the market for a long time, and then I found out at the end of the day that it obviously had rallied and ended in a very positive way. So I was expecting some good stuff over the weekend, especially with the House bill being approved and the 1.9 trillion package hopefully being signed in on Tuesday, which will mean that everyone gets their checks, which is obviously going to be good for the US economy and hopefully for the stock market. But we're just continuing to see the sell-off of tech stocks this week, and looking now, QQQ is trading at 307, and the Nasdaq next gen ETFs is trading at about 31.5. So massively down from where they were trading a month ago. This is obviously having a big impact on the market, and it's all to do with this 10-year future bond, which is increasing, and obviously having such an impact on the valuation of these tech stocks. So it's not good news at the moment. At the moment, from our position, we're just holding our stocks. There was some more bad news over the weekend with the Chinese government announcing that they only expect to do a 6% growth this year. Although that's quite good for us Brits or the American market, they're actually expecting 8%. So the market has reacted in a very negative way. And I'm seeing a lot of the tech stocks like JD or Alibaba continue to sell off. So it's not very good for my portfolio. Hopefully it's a bit better for yours. And I think really what the update for this week is just wait and see. This last couple of weeks have been pretty brutal for our portfolios. So I'm just going to wait and see this week and do some more analysis. I put up a video at the weekend about Alibaba, and I'm going to be uploading a video later on this week about Square and NIO, hopefully at the weekend. So keep a lookout for them. But at the moment, we're doing our research and looking for those opportunities to buy when the market calms down a bit. And that's the plan at the moment. So have a great week. Don't lose too many dollars, and I hope you make some.